What the hell tonight?
This goddamn chopping this man.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hey, wagwan, me there, my people. Blessed manners and respect each and every one. So, I'm going to talk about pieces of videos that I saw that show some things that happened during a situation where there was some type of delay when it comes on to a burial. Now, based on some words said in at least one of those pieces of videos, it seems as if there was some type of misinformation or some type of mistake when it comes on to a grave. But people, take a look at these pieces of videos so that you can get a better understanding about the situation. Observe.
Let me go and deal with the thing better. Everything up there. So let me tell them, I don't know what they talk about. I hate that. I agree with this brother. What you talk about? Take up
You hear that part there?
Well, I guess
Listen.
we're finishing the lady here with you.
I was standing there for you. Anyone know about that? No, I feel great this brother.
What the hell tonight?
No, I got one there with that second one.
So who made the mistake? 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 Who made the mistake?
Well, you the person say it.
That's all I'm saying.
Well, I'm there.
Listen of my be great there with them.
So look here, all right. Okay, you must have no. Family gone.
Hold on, there's another piece of video. See that?
This goddamn chopping this man.
So where now they put that?
I don't know, sir. Because that was just what they did that one.
So where they taking it to now? Never see them as super on the bar, sorry.
Well on, my people. So, more you listen as to who for grave this person said the grave bit. Listen what this person has to write us.
No, I feel great this brother.
What the hell tonight?
One more time.
No, I feel great this brother.
What the hell tonight?
Some type of misunderstanding when it comes on to that burial. Yes, so me ask my people. I just can see the coffin and so forth. Oh, and this part also caught my attention to me hear someone say these words. You see me say, I mean, it's not the first time I ever hear an elder speak. Not exactly the same, but kind of like this at certain events. That part, listen.
This goddamn chopping this man.
You ever hear an elder speak like that before? Alright, leave a comment or comments so I know anything about that situation there. So I say, I wish you all the best when it comes down to that situation. Sit that way. Okay, so my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person held on to at least part of a type of clothes that someone was wearing, and the person who was holding an object was treating the person very aggressively and very hostile. The video shows when the person somewhat point the object at the person's neck or somewhat put it at the person's neck in a certain type of way, and the person also flashed the object at one point and even somewhat hit the person with the object as well. I got the understanding that the person did not like something that the other person might have done. In my point of view, the person who was holding an object was holding the object with an intention to use it as some type of weapon towards the person that the person somewhat confronted in such a unfriendly way of viewing subscribers. And the other person, in my point of view, was not retaliating certain ways, even though the person was holding on to at least one part of a type of clothes that the person was wearing. Anyways, there were persons there who were saying certain words to try and de-escalate the situation. There was at least one person who somewhat went close in a certain type of way to try and de-escalate the situation, but the person who was holding the object was saying certain words and behaving certain ways viewing subscribers. In my point of view, it look away. It really and truly look away. As I said, I do got the understanding that the video be recorded within the country of Jamaica, and me no want to jump to the conclusion, but me just really and truly want to point out that violence only makes things worse. See? So if you believe that someone did something wrong, contact the police. So I say, self-defense is a different thing, but contact the police. But anyways, leave a comment or comments when you think about this type of situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Don't kill him, CJ. Don't kill him.
Okay, so based on some words said in the video, I got to understand that the person accused the person of doing something, but didn't get any confirmed information as to what. You understand the people? It's set away. But overall, though, you know, if you believe that someone do something wrong, I don't think violence make anything better. I bet you make the police know go on. You see me I say, or so on. Okay, so I think a lot of persons within the country of Jamaica might have heard about Nomination Day. Well, information that I got is that Nomination Day is on the 18th of August. Monday the 18th of August. That's today when I'm doing this video. Now, my people, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that have been recorded at separate locations within the country of Jamaica. And these pieces of videos are going to show a lot of persons or people who are said to be political party supporters within the country of Jamaica. So some support JLP and some support PNP. I think the color might give some of my understanding as to who support or what, isn't it? Anyways, I think I see at least one video about some type of an accident that happened as well too, you know, during some type of political gathering or so forth, or when of a day of a political gathering. But anyway, so anyways, viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Oh, but I will the name of the Lord. The Lord, He is our.
Tell them.
Yeah, we are 10 flag. 3 basic flag and 5 basic tie. Shower man thing. Straight and to hold it. Yeah.
How much is the flag?
3 base, 5 basic tie.
3 bills to the flag, 5 bills to the tie.
Yeah.
Alright, pick up yourself.
Well, my people, politics, Politics. Okay. Well, I have some reality. So big up and respect each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.